Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If touchpad gestures is not working on your system, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to check whether touchpad gestures are enabled. So we'll right click on the start button, look for settings, then look for Bluetooth and devices, look down for touchpad, click on touchpad, and we will check if this button is in the on position. If it is in the on position and it is still not working, then we need to reset the touchpad. So we will click on reset and this will reset all the settings including the 3 finger and 4 finger gesture settings. Now if that doesn't work, we need to update the touchpad drivers. For that we need to go to device manager, click on it, look for mice and other pointing devices and right click update driver, right click and update the driver and restart the system and it should start working. Now the fourth option is to restart the system in a clean boot configuration. Now to do that we need to look for system configuration, look for services, and before we disable any of the services, I always caution you to hide the all Microsoft services by checking this box here, and only then we will disable any third party service like McAfee. Disable it, apply, OK, and click on restart. And this should fix the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.